The result of the Supreme Court's unanimous decision is that Ms. Begum's appeal against the leave to enter decision is dismissed. Her application for judicial review of the leave to enter decision is dismissed. And her application for judicial review of SIAC's decision in her appeal against the deprivation decision is also dismissed.
OK, well, that is the decision from the UK Supreme Court ruling that Shamima Begum, who joined Islamic State in Syria, should not be allowed to return to the UK to challenge that decision, to strip her of her citizenship. Well, let's speak to our Home Affairs correspondent, Mark White, who's joining me now. Mark, just drill us down into that decision that we've had there from the Supreme Court.
Well, these rulings are always quite complex and multi-pronged, as this one was, but the upshot of it is that the Home Secretary has won here. It was the Home Secretary that had gone to the Supreme Court to challenge a decision that was made by the Court of Appeal last July, effectively that Shamima Begum, who is in a refugee camp in northern Syria, should be allowed to return to the UK. There she could effectively fight a case against the decision that was made by a previous Home Secretary, Sajid Javid, in 2019 to strip her of her British citizenship. The argument being that if she's in this refugee camp in northern Syria without access to lawyers and being denied that access, she can't have a fair and proper hearing. She's not able to mount that. And that was the thrust of the case that was put before the Supreme Court. But the Supreme Court, having weighed up all the facts, have found in favour of the Home Secretary, who appealed against that Court of Appeal decision. And so Shamima Begum has been denied the right to return to the UK, denied the right to appeal at a judicial review as well against that deprivation order, the deprivation order being that order first imposed by Sajid Javid to strip her of her British citizenship. Clearly, the British government will be delighted by this. There was real concern because it's not just Shamima Begum here. The British government has stripped 150 people of their citizenship, mainly on security grounds, in recent years. And there was a real concern that should Shamima Begum win and be allowed to return, this would be an avenue of return for dozens of others.